Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Tenah black currant, and it's good. I mentioned in some of my other videos that, I didn't grow up with currant, so I don't really have kind of an affinity for them naturally, but I've been trying them a lot. So like, in fact, today I came out here because we're going to harvest a lot of our currants, and I wanted to see what was ripe. And so I went from currant to currant and tasted, and I can start to tell a difference. And this one is good. It's got a sugar content that's a little higher than the others, so it kind of appeals to my American flavor profile because I didn't grow up with currants. So it's really quite good, and it's super ripe. We're going to harvest these tomorrow and make jam out of them, or give them to somebody that's going to make jam. But they're really good. Let me go ahead and try one. Yeah, it's not bad. It's tart like any currant, but gosh, you can eat this straight out of hand. At the farmer's market, sometimes we'll put currants or gooseberries right next to cherries and blueberries. And of course, the cherries and blueberries are going to go first, but sometimes people are curious and they'll try it. And occasionally we'll get somebody that has a lot of experience or or loves currants, and they'll snap them right up. This currant bush is loaded. You can see on this branch here, it's just way down the entire branch, so that once we pick them, we'll have to figure out our pruning for next year so that doesn't happen again. But we'll come out and pick them, and basically you just take a string here and pull the whole string off, and then we'll put that into our container and then work with it from there. You can see here it's a nice larger berry. Some of the currant berries are pretty small, but this one grows to a pretty good size. This is Tenah black currant. It's a good tasting currant. I would, if you're not sure where to start with black currants, this is a good place to start. It's got a sweetness in it that some of the others don't seem to have for me. And if you're just starting out, you're going to want to, make it into a jam or mix it with some sugar in some kind of recipe. But this is a good one.